This van has self-adjusting headlights, and the link from the rear axle to the headlight adjuster bracket was broken. Similarly, the light array in the driver's mirror for the Parktronic system has given up. We replace the printed circuit board called Warning Element 1.
Yay! I haven't detached a wing mirror before. Woo!
Hey, how is it going? I'm a traveler from Finland who wanted to share adventures, technical challenges and fun of living in a self-made camper van. Welcome aboard!
Hey, welcome to the workshop once again. This is Finnish midsummer. The temperature is pleasant plus 15 Celsius. We are going to do small fixes this time. First of all, this one is a little plastic joint for the camper van rear. It is near the rear axle and it's supposed to guide the steering motors of the headlights beam. And this camper van, this Sprinter, has xenon headlights. So this piece is mandatory to be functional in the annual inspection. And the second box, this is a small circuit board. It's going to the driver's wing side mirror, wing mirror, I guess that's the word for it. And as you see, it has some LED lights. They are the indications of the Parktronic system.
Let's get to work, starting from automatic headlamp adjuster.
Now I will explain briefly how this technical mechanism works. In the front and the rear, there are two levers which measure the angle of the vehicle, like this. And if you put more load to the rear, and this is a cargo van, so you're supposed to put the load there, the rear goes down and the front of the vehicle goes up. And that means that the headlight beams, they would go up as well and irritate the eyes of the other travelers. So this mechanism compensates the alignment of the vehicle. So it aligns the headlights beam a little bit lower when the rear is having heavyweight load. And the rear axle, the mechanism is broken. It is this white plastic part here that is right now tied with the cable ties. And the reason why this is broken is that these levers, these metal steel structures, they are stuck in the connection points. This is like a fuse of this system. It is the weakest part.
Workshop reality, and especially creating content for social media. My microphone broke down. It started cutting off my voice last recording. So the main principle here is that we are going to lubricate the structural steel joints and trying to make them move again. And we will replace the white plastic connection part mechanically and probably spot weld the bracket of it on its place. And then we hope that the mechanism is as good as new.
we face problems with the parking sensors. Parking sensors are disabled. I'm going to demonstrate it now. We have two red lights on the left side wing mirror. We don't have any red lights on the right side wing mirror. This time I don't have any red lights in the central indication.
The troubleshooting started with the electrical wiring harnesses and connectors, continued with inspecting the sensors and replacing them if needed. We also minimized the possibility of earlier damage affecting the sensors.
Now there are 3 new parking sensors in the rear, and hopefully the errors have gone away. 2 red lights on the right wing mirror, 4 red lights in the center, 0 red lights on the left wing mirror. So the problem is not with the sensors. We read the OBD error codes with the diagnostics tool, and positive thing is that the sensor 7 error has disappeared. Yay! And next error there is warning element 1, which refers to this left side wing mirror LED panel. Apparently the LED panel is working, but maybe there is a loose connection in the electrical wiring harness. I don't know. So my next plan is to detach this wing mirror. Yay! I haven't detached a wing mirror before. Woo! The problem indeed is the warning element 1. Here is the LED display assembly for the left wing mirror. You can see the LED lights and the circuit board on the background. It is connected to the Parktronic control unit with these 3 electrical wires. The control unit is connected to the vehicle's CAN bus, the information channel. Okay, we are done. Thank you for watching and see you soon again. Happy travels!
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, like and share. See you next time!